Now who's this one from?
Santa.
Santa brought you there?
It's a baby Santa.
So now she can come to the hotel with you too.
Yeah, we have now if Santa brings me more babies, I will have a lot of more babies.
You already have a lot of babies.
A real baby.
She's the prettiest baby.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't she pretty?
Now, just Layla, did you remember how Tiana likes to cook?
Yeah.
So she's perfect for your tea party.
Maybe you and Tiana can cook some gumbo.
Do you remember how she likes to cook gumbo? Come on, you got 2 more presents to go.
2 more?
Yeah, and that's it, young lady.
I like the more.
I know you do.
I think Santa's watch.
Actually, that one is from Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
Which one? That one?
The one you're opening. Well, I'm surprised she didn't think about that.
Wow.
That's a
What's
board
that?
game, Layla. So we can play together.
Is that Chutes and Ladders?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas, Mom. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas,
Last
Layla.
one, up there. Sienna, that's from Sienna.
I see Barbie. More clothes for your Barbies? Wow! You got lots of clothes for your Barbies now. Because they're always naked. All your Barbies are always naked.
Yeah.
And that shoes, a crown, and flowers.
Awesome.
Birthday.
Layla.
Bye, Pops. Some more shoes here. This is amazing!
Layla. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You cheated.
Oh,
I was gonna cheat yesterday. I was so gonna cheat. I was so gonna cheat. Now I feel so bad because
Don't.
don't. Bogus.
No,
That's super. Thank you, Layla. Layla, isn't Jesus' birthday the best?
Yes.